Out. So watch it. You lift her leg up.
Yeah.
There should be like these little ruffles over here. So
Yeah.
make sure they're all up.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good.
That should be good. Yep, that should be good.
Excellent. Okay. Okay, save this. I didn't use all of it.
We throw it out if once it's been open.
Okay. Hi, baby. Oh, bless you. Bless you. I just want to wash my hands before I touch it. Just put this bag down there like that, and when we need to pack up our stuff, we can put it in the bag. I'm getting pain, so I'm going to ask for some strong painkillers now before everybody leaves.